Ever wondered about the health benefits of African food? Welcome to a culinary journey that spans a continent, a journey into the depths of African cuisine. This is not just about food, it's about a vibrant culture, a rich history, and a testament to human resilience and creativity. African cuisine is as diverse as the continent itself, with each region offering a unique blend of flavors and textures. From the spicy stews of West Africa to the aromatic tagines of North Africa, from the hearty porridges of East Africa to the exotic fruits of the tropics, there's something for every palate. But the richness of African cuisine doesn't stop at taste. Packed with nutrient-dense ingredients like millet, sorghum, and an array of colorful fruits and vegetables, African food is a powerhouse of health benefits. So buckle up, food enthusiasts, for an exciting ride through the spectrum of African food. Stay tuned as we dive into the delicious and nutritious world of African cuisine. African food is a treasure trove of health benefits waiting to be discovered. Unveiling the health benefits of African cuisine is like embarking on a journey of discovery, where every dish brings forth a myriad of wholesome advantages. African food is a powerhouse of nutrients, and these nutrients are the building blocks of the myriad health benefits it affords. From improved digestion to increased energy levels and enhanced immunity, the scope of advantages is as diverse as the continent itself. Let's start with digestion. African cuisine is rich in fiber thanks to the generous use of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and legumes. This fiber aids digestion by adding bulk to your diet, helping to prevent constipation and promoting overall digestive health. Moving on, let's talk about energy. African dishes are often packed with complex carbohydrates such as yams, plantains, and millet. These are slow-burning energy sources, providing you with a steady release of energy throughout the day. So instead of experiencing energy peaks and crashes, you enjoy a steady, sustainable energy supply. Immunity is another area where African food shines. Many African dishes are brimming with vitamins and minerals, essential for a robust immune system. For instance, African star apple, a popular fruit across the continent, is a great source of vitamin C, which is key for immune function. Moreover, African cuisine is characterized by its use of spices and herbs, many of which have potent medicinal properties. Take turmeric, for example, a spice used extensively in African cooking. It's known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, contributing to overall wellness. But that's not all. African food is also typically low in unhealthy fats and sugars, making it a heart-friendly choice. Plus, the emphasis on plant-based ingredients means a lower risk of chronic diseases. With all these benefits in mind, it's clear that African food is not just about tantalizing your taste buds. It's about nourishing your body, boosting your health, and enhancing your well-being. With a diet rich in African foods, you're well on your way to a healthier life. Scene script. Let's dig deeper and explore some popular African foods and their specific health benefits. First on our list is the well-known jollof rice, a delightful dish that's found in many West African homes and parties. Jollof rice is typically made from long-grain parboiled rice, tomatoes, onions, and a mix of colorful bell peppers. This dish packs a punch in terms of vitamin C, thanks to the bell peppers and tomatoes. Vitamin C is crucial for boosting the immune system and promoting healthy skin. The long-grain rice is a great source of complex carbohydrates, providing slow-release energy to keep you going throughout the day. Moving on, we have egusi soup, a staple in many Nigerian homes. This delightful soup is made from melon seeds, assorted vegetables, and often pieces of fish or meat. Egusi seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients, boasting an impressive protein content which is essential for muscle growth and repair. They are also rich in healthy fats, which are vital for brain health and hormone production. The vegetables in the soup add a boost of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making egusi soup a well-rounded meal for overall health. Next, we journey to East Africa, where we find injera, a sourdough flatbread that's a staple in Ethiopian and Eritrean cuisine. Injera is made from teff flour, a gluten-free grain that's packed with a myriad of nutrients. Teff is high in fiber, promoting a healthy digestive system and aiding in weight management. It's also rich in iron, which is essential for red blood cell production and preventing anemia. Moreover, injera, due to its fermentation process, contains probiotics, the friendly bacteria that are beneficial for gut health. Let's not forget about couscous, a staple food in North African countries like Morocco, Algeria, and Tunisia. Couscous is made from steamed balls of crushed durum wheat semolina. It's a good source of selenium, a powerful antioxidant that fights inflammation and boosts the immune system. Plus, it's a quick and easy-to-prepare dish that can be paired with a variety of vegetables and lean proteins, making it a versatile addition to any meal. Next up is sukuma wiki, a popular dish in East Africa, particularly in Kenya. Sukuma wiki means stretch the weak in Swahili, reflecting its role as an affordable and nutritious dish. It's made from collard greens or kale, often cooked with onions and tomatoes. These leafy greens are rich in vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting and bone health. They also contain high amounts of vitamin A, promoting good vision and a healthy immune system. Finally, we have plantain, a versatile food found across many African cuisines. Whether boiled, fried, or roasted, plantains are a great source of vitamins A and C, potassium, and dietary fiber. They are a complex carbohydrate, providing steady energy, and their high fiber content aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. As you can see, each African dish is a health boost in its own right. With a variety of flavors, ingredients, and health benefits, African cuisine not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also contributes to a well-rounded, nutritious diet. So why not give these dishes a try? Your body and your palate will thank you. Now you might be wondering, how can you incorporate these African foods into your diet? Well, it's simpler than you might think. African foods are versatile and can be included in your meals in a variety of ways. Let's give you some practical tips on how to do it. For starters, think about your staple foods. If bread is a regular part of your diet, why not try injera instead? Injera is a type of Ethiopian flatbread made from fermented teff flour. It's rich in iron and calcium, gluten-free, and has a slightly sour taste that pairs well with a variety of dishes. You can use it as a base for sandwiches or as a side for soups and stews. Next, let's talk about your main dishes. If you're a fan of rice dishes, you'll love jollof rice. This West African dish is a one-pot wonder, combining rice with tomatoes, onions, various spices, and sometimes meat or fish. It's flavorful, filling, and packed with nutrients. It can serve as a nutritious main dish for lunch or dinner. African cuisine also offers plenty of options for snack lovers. Plantain chips, for instance, are a healthier alternative to regular potato chips. They're crunchy, slightly sweet, and can be enjoyed on their own or with a dip. And let's not forget about drinks. If you're looking for a refreshing beverage, try hibiscus tea, also known as zobo drink in West Africa. It's a sweet and tangy drink made from dried hibiscus flowers, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Lastly, consider exploring African spices. They can add a new depth of flavor to your meals while also offering various health benefits. For example, Berber is an Ethiopian spice blend that includes chili peppers, garlic, ginger, and more. It's known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Remember, incorporating African foods into your diet doesn't require a complete overhaul of your eating habits. It's about making small changes and trying new things. And who knows, you might discover your new favorite dish along the way. Incorporating African foods into your diet can be as easy as it is beneficial. To wrap it up, African food is not just a feast for the taste buds, but also for the body. We've journeyed through the rich, diverse flavors of African cuisine. And along the way, we've discovered that these dishes offer so much more than just a delightful culinary experience. They're packed with vital nutrients and health benefits that can contribute to a more vibrant, healthier lifestyle. From the protein-rich pulses and grains, the heart-healthy fats found in nuts and seeds, to the wealth of vitamins and minerals in fruits and vegetables, African cuisine provides a holistic approach to nutrition. We've also explored how popular dishes, each with their unique health benefits, can be incorporated into your everyday diet. Remember, food is not just about sustenance, it's about enjoying the diverse tastes and textures that our world has to offer. So why not start your culinary adventure with African cuisine? Experience the flavors of Africa and reap the health benefits along the way.